Daddy. Hey friends, so I'm just doing this real quick today because I had a couple friends ask me how to do split screen for a Bible study that we're in. So I have the Kindle app for our book. There's our book for the Bible study. And then this is a study guide for it. I have the physical book for the actual study, and then we have the study guide here. I hope I'm not breaking copyright things by doing this. I'm doing it for myself, so I don't think I am, but we'll see. Anyways, so here's chapter 1 notes. I'm actually going to turn it like this for right now. Let me make sure. Back it up just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so here's the book. So what I do is I use the GoodNotes 5 app, which if you go to the app store, it's a couple of dollars. It's not going to show me. GoodNotes. And then there's, well, it's just showing GoodNotes 5 right now, but this is the app right here. It looks like this, if you can see that. And then it has an update right now, which I'll do later, but I think it was about $5 or $6 to be honest. But it's well worth it because I use it for so many different things. There's that. But so I have Bible studies in here. I have planners. I have church notes. Notes about the honeymoon, journal, prayer journal, all kinds of stuff in here. So I'm going to go back to the Bible studies. And what I've done is basically I've taken screenshots. You double tap on this button to do that, by the way, if you didn't know. But I've taken screenshots of the chapter. So I'm going to go all the way to chapter 2. Alright, here's chapter 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot, and it pops up into this little corner, and I just swipe it out of the way. And then I go back to my GoodNotes app, and here is the study right here. You can press this little button right here to show all of your pages. So you can see I've imported all of these pages already for chapter 1. So let's import another page. And I'm going to check images, or image, all photos, and then the most recent photo. And it's imported. So I'm going to select it now. And there's your chapter 2. So why I love this is because, let's go back to the beginning. For like these little boxes right here, in the Kindle app, let me go back to that same page. So we're on the same page, haha. You can't actually tap into it and type or anything like that. So that's the unfortunate part about it. But if you have copied and pasted it into something like GoodNotes, OneNote, Notability, there's some other apps like that. You can actually take your stylus, whatever stylus you have, and make sure you're on the pen. Tap whatever color you want, and then you can write here whatever your answer is that you want to go over. So, and I'm going to erase that because obviously I don't want to keep that. So there are tons of videos on GoodNotes if you want to know more about it, but that's just how I am using it for these days. So of course I realized I didn't show you how to actually do split screen. So what you want to do is you want to turn your device sideways, and then bring up the Kindle app to where you're reading your book. So let's just say that this is the book here. Sorry, I'm holding the camera now. So let's just say this is the book you have here, and then you want to slightly swipe up. So, oh, we'll see if it'll do it. There, slightly swipe up, hold down, hold on, let's go back. Slightly swipe up, and hold down the GoodNotes app, and stop. Oh, my goodness, I'm sorry. Go back there, and then pull it up right here, and it'll do a little split like that, and there you have it. There's split screen, so you can continue to read your book over here and make that smaller and do your notes over here. Alright, well, I hope this helps you and that you enjoy your study on Lies Women Believe, or whatever you choose to use this for. Have a good day. Talk to y'all later. Bye.